Once you have signed into Teams, go to your Files folder and click onto your name and open up your Lesson 9 Shopping List Excel spreadsheet. This is what you're going to modify and work with today to do your formulas and functions applications. Now, the first thing we're going to do here is to format our cost boxes. The reason why is because today we're going to work with money, which is currency. So we have to change the number format to currency. So to do that, click onto the cell B4, click and drag all the way to B13, and then you will need to go to the number format column and click on currency. Once done, whenever you enter a number in the cost, it will appear as a currency $sign. Do the same for cells B15 all the way to B20. Once done, you should see that your budget has been changed to a $sign currency. Okay, so now let's get started. We're going to fill in the ingredients for our sandwich by going to the FairPrice website over here to look for them. So click onto the link. And once you open up NTUC FairPrice website, you will need to search for products. So in the search box, you can type on and search products that you wish to add to your sandwich. So for example, all sandwiches should have bread. So let's search for bread. Okay, you can scroll down and do a search. There are so many different options. So you can just pick out one that you think is budget and value for money. Okay, for example, if I like the gardenia and rich white bread, I can choose that. This is $2.40, so I will just key in all these details into my Teams Excel. So this is the gardenia and rich white bread. Now, if your words spill out of the cell, don't worry. Remember, there are two ways we can fix this. It's either we do a wrap text to push some of the letters below, or you can simply go to the column of your cell, click onto the line column and just stretch to resize your cell to fit. Okay, don't forget to input the cost. So the cost of the white bread was actually $2.40. So I'm going to just enter 2.40, 2.4, press enter. Ta-da! Okay, so do the same for all the other items that you have as well as the cost. And once done, you will need to add in formulas for the other options. So I'm just going to very quickly enter in data that I already have. So this is an example. You can go and search for your own ingredients. Okay, now let's say you're done with your sandwich ingredients. We'll need to add in the formulas. So let's go to item count first. Click onto the blue box here. We are going to insert a function formula, and this is for item count. So we're going to click on count and click OK. Once done, we're going to drag all the cells that have our data. So you can actually drag from B4 all the way to B13, all the white cells. Once done, press enter. And that should give you the count of how many items you have. So we should have 5 items. Average item cost, this also requires another function formula. So click insert, click function, click average, OK. And same thing, select all your data, press enter. So the average of each item is about $2.20, for example. Now the most expensive item, this is another function formula. So go to function. This is maximum because we're calculating most expensive, most. So this is maximum. Select all your cost data. Press enter. Good, done. Move on to cheapest. This will be minimum. Okay, so you can go to your insert. Sorry, let me try that again. Click the cell, go to insert function, minimum. Okay, so the minimum cost, the cheapest item that we have is actually the iceberg lettuce, which is $1.40, And finally, total cost, this is a sum. So go to function, click on sum, okay. And we're going to drag all the data, enter. So this will give you the sum of all your items, the cost. So we found out that our total cost is about $11, but we need to understand what is the difference. So for this last box, we are going to enter a formula. So click equal. We're going to find the difference using budget minus total cost. So remember, we can just click the cell for this. So click on budget minus, click total cost. Press enter. Ta-da! Okay, and this is your completed shopping list. So if you see that your money is in the green, this means that very good, you are spending within the budget. If it turns red, that means you're spending too much. You might need to change by deleting one of your item and cost, or looking for a cheaper item and cost. Okay, so this is for today's activity. Once you're done, you may close your Excel and proceed to your reflection.